Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make your own tomato home gardens. Get your tomato seeds, seedling soil mix, seedling tray and gardening tools ready. You can find the seedling soil mix at any nursery or hardware store near you. Don't use garden soil as it drains poorly. Fill your seeding tray with soil. Remove large air pockets by gently firming the soil. Make 2 holes in each cell. You can use a toothpick or any small object for this purpose. Place 1 seed in each hole. Top up the remaining cell with soil and firm the soil again. Water thoroughly. Identify a suitable space to grow your garden. The area you have selected should receive enough sunlight, at least 6 hours per day. Remove all remaining grass, rocks, and weed from the area where you plan to grow your tomatoes. Use a garden fork to mix and to level the soil. I'm going to make a raised bed garden for my tomato plants. Place wood logs at the sides of the raised bed. Now I will add compost for the top soil layer. Use a garden fork to mix and to level the soil. Now for the planting. Spacing is crucial. Make sure each plant is planted between 45 and 60 centimeters from each other, or 18 to 24 inches. Water the plants right after planting. Tomato plants require a lot of water. For your home garden, you can simply water your plants every morning with a hose pipe. Ensure not to over or underwater your garden, as this is critical for the plants. Once your plants grow bigger, make sure to never water the plant itself, but rather the soil, as this will reduce the chances of your plants getting diseases. A good way to see if a plant receives enough water is the finger test. If you stick your finger in the soil and comes out dry, your plant needs water. Construct your trellis system. Use a system to your liking and that will be most advantageous in your garden. Benefits of a trellis system include: keep the fruit and leaves above the soil, protect the plant, and many more. When you have deep red ripe tomatoes, it is time to harvest. Enjoy!